everyone! Welcome to DIY House! It's great to see everyone again! Today I received a call from my Melody. She asked me to design a house with a swimming pool and a vending machine. Okay, I'm here. First, I will build the house frame out of cardboard. The main color is pink. Next, I raise the floors for the bedroom, pool, living room, and kitchen. Let's do the bedroom first. Use cardboard stacked on top of each other. Roll out pink clay and wrap it around to make a bed. Cut off the excess.
So good!
The bed mattress is really soft. I need my Melody headboard. Add eyes, nose, and two adorable ears. The pretty bow is done.
Wow.
She looks amazing. The pretty bow is I'm making the blanket. Finish it. Looking at this bed, I want to go to sleep now. I have 2 photos. Put it here.
The bed was so soft. Oh, this is me? I love it.
I need to pump water into the swimming pool. Tank floor surface. Painted with gloss to resist water. Wow, strawberry-shaped buoy. Purple, sky blue, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Yes!
Super large decorative rainbow. Next, I will make an automatic water machine. Wrap foam paper round. I need to make a lot of compartments to hold a lot of drinks. Pretty ears. Use painted earrings to make cabinet handles. Perfect! Use white clay and shape it into a soda can shape. Painted silver. Lots of drinks. Which kind of drink do you like the most? Is Fanta okay?
Yeah!
awesome!
Cardboard and colored paper. Use foam paper to make cabinet doors.
Nice!
A mini gas stove. So cute!
So hungry, let's eat hot pot with me. A large pot of water. Wait for the water to boil.
Today we have a lot of dip. Beef, vegetables, shrimp, though I want to eat it all. The water is boiling. Just add the ingredients. Vegetables, followed by corn and tomatoes. Beef. What do you want to eat so I can put it in? Clams, mushrooms, crab sticks, shrimp, and some asparagus stalks. Seems like something is missing. The food is ready. Let's eat. Dip the food. Today's food is very delicious.
My stomach is about to explode.
Use foam paper to piece together to make cabinet boxes.
Good.
Oh, strawberries. The fruit is ripe.
Great.
Pink dinner table. Wow, it's so beautiful. Oh, the cake was delicious, but I was too full to eat any more. Once the living room is finished, I can go home and sleep. Wrap the set soil outside before next piece. Dark pink soil border outside. Strawberry table.
The house is so beautiful. Thank you very much. Please stop by my house as soon as possible.
Oh, I'm so tired. Let's go home and rest. If you have any ideas, please tell us. I will make it come true. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Remember to follow and turn on notifications to see more videos from us.